Chapter 12. Volume and nets. Get ready. Volume is the measure of the amount of space inside of a solid figure like a cube, ball, cylinder or pyramid. Its units are always cubic, that is, the number of little element cubes that fit inside the figure. For example, two shoe boxes together have twice the volume of a single box, because they take up twice the amount of space. Volume is measured in cubes. A cubic centimeter has sides of length 1 centimeter. Units of volume. Volume of a cube with edge, 1 millimeter. Thus, 1 cubic millimeter is the volume of a cube with edge, 1 millimeter. 1 cubic millimeter or 1 millimeter cube. Volume of a cube with edge, 1 centimeter. Thus, 1 cubic centimeter is the volume of a cube with edge, 1 centimeter. 1 cubic centimeter or 1 centimeter cube. Volume of a cube with edge, 1 meter. Thus, 1 cubic meter is the volume of a cube with edge, 1 meter. 1 cubic meter or 1 meter cube. Keep in mind, cubic millimeters or cubic centimeters are used to measure the smaller volumes, whereas cubic meters are used to measure bigger volumes. Volume of a cube. To find the volume of a cube, multiply the length of any edge by itself thrice. So, if the length of an edge is 8 centimeters, the volume is 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8 equals 512 centimeter cube. Volume equals S cube. S is the length of any edge of the cube. Volume of a cuboid. To find the volume of a cuboid, multiply its length by its width and by its height. Volume equals L multiplied by W multiplied by H. L is length, W is width and H is height. Example. Find the volume of cuboid. Solution. 1. There are 2 rows of 4 cubes. So, the volume is centimeter cube. 2. There are 2 rows of 9 cubes. So, the volume is 18 centimeter cube. Example. Find the volume of a cereal packet whose length is 8 centimeters, width is 20 centimeters and height is 30 centimeters. Solution. The volume of this cereal packet is volume equals L multiplied by W multiplied by H equals 8 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 30 equals 4800 centimeter cube. Keep in mind, a cube is a cuboid in which length equals breadth equals height. Volume of the cube equals side multiplied by side multiplied by side equals side cube. Word problems. Example. A water tank is 3.1 meter long, 3.1 meter wide and 3.1 meter high. How many cubic centimeters of water will it hold? 1000 centimeter cube equals 1 liter. Solution. Length of the tank equals 3.1 meter equals 3.1 multiplied by 100 centimeter equals 310 centimeter. Breadth of the tank equals 3.1 meter equals 3.1 multiplied by 100 centimeter equals 310 centimeter. Height of the tank equals 3.1 meter equals 3.1 multiplied by 100 centimeter equals 310 centimeter. Volume of water tank equals 310 multiplied by 310 multiplied by 310 equals 29,791,000 centimeter. Since 1000 centimeter cube equals 1 liters, therefore 29,791,000 centimeter equals 29,791,000 divided by 1000 equals 29,791 liters. Hence, tank can hold 29,791 liters of water. Example. Find the volume of the given figure. Solution. The given cuboid consists of 40 cubes of 1 centimeter. So, volume of the cuboid equals 40 cubic centimeter. Reason. Layer 1 equals 5 multiplied by 4 equals 20 cubes. Also, layer 1 equals layer 2, as both layers consist of equal number of cubes, so, volume of cuboid equals 20 cubes multiplied by 2 equals 40 cubes equals 40 cubic centimeter. Alternative method. Length equals 5 centimeter, breadth equals 4 centimeter, height equals 2 centimeter. Volume of the cuboid equals L multiplied by B multiplied by H equals 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2 equals 40 centimeter cube. Example. Find the volume of the given solid. Solution. There are 3 layers, so we add the cubes of these layers. First layer equals 5 cubes. Second layer equals 4 cubes. Third layer equals 3 cubes. 5 cubes plus 4 cubes plus 3 cubes equals 12 cubes. Therefore, volume equals 12 cubic centimeter. Example. Find the volume of the given solid. Solution. One layer equals 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9 cubes. 3 layers equals 9 multiplied by 3 equals 27 cubes. Therefore, volume equals 27 cubic centimeter. Alternative method. Side of the cube equals 3 centimeter. Volume of the cube equals side cube equals 3 cube equals 27 centimeter cube. Nets. A two-dimensional tool for representing three-dimensional object is called net. Step 1. First take an empty matchbox. Step 2. Now, open the outer cover carefully. Step 3. Now, open the inside box. These open shapes are called nets. How many rectangles on each of these nets? This is the net of a cube. This net has squares. This net can also be folded back to make the cube. Finding the volume of other shapes. Here is another way to find the volume of shapes. Take a measuring glass and fill it with water up to 200 milliliters mark. Use 50 interlocking 1 cm cubes and fix them to make a cuboid with length 2 cm, breadth 5 cm, and height 5 cm. What is the volume of the cuboid? Cubic centimeter. Put the cuboid into the water in the measuring glass. By how much has the level of water rise? Milliliter. That means a cuboid of 50 cubic centimeter occupies the same space as 50 milliliters of water. Quiz quest. Find the volume of stone A and B.